All right, well, right now we're back here in the snow, and I got this 7-inch quad, and I love this thing, but I've got her on a 5S, and this 5S unfortunately been charged for about 2 weeks, and I haven't had a chance to fly it, so I feel bad. And don't worry, I'll tell the battery I'm sorry later. But this one is probably not going to stay up in the air very long, but we're going to throw her up in the air, see if she sticks, and we're going to do a little bit of icy / snow flying and see how she does. Now, these are the Dow 7053 pops or something like that. Anyway, the cyclones, big 7-inch cyclones. So we're going to see how she does, and on the 5S 1300 milliamp hour that's been sitting for a while. But remember, it is cold, so not going to get a whole lot of flight time out of it. We'll see how long she goes. And we're just waiting on some GPS up here. And this one does, you know, take her sweet time to kind of wake up and join the world. But tell you what, let's see. Well, now she got 4 satellites, so at least that's a plus. We get some DVR rolling on here, and we'll see how long it takes to get that last little bit of satellitification. Let's see. There we go. We got 6. Oh, wow, we got 6, we got 7. We got to 7. What do I do? I hear 7 to 7. I don't think we do, not yet. That's all right. We'll see it here in just a sec. I am a patient man, and that is a lie. Oh, just dropped back to 4, now to 6. Ah, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. And what a pretty sight. We will fly her down to 18.5 volts. That will be our target discharge. We don't want to go past 18.5. It's just not good practice. This is the new school. And this is an old school. And you know me, I'm old school, so I like it that way. That's all right. And there's my excursion, all covered in snow. She's all pretty. It's like decoration. Makes me feel like I should be singing Christmas carols. I feel bad that I shaved my beard. I feel like Santa. But I don't know what kind of gifts I can deliver with this little itty bitty quad. Oh, there we go. Just whip right around there. And as you can see, it is very, very white. Kind of like the board of most companies in the U.S. right now. But what we've got is really more ice than snow. Because she is slicker than greased goose snot. And that is not a good thing. But this whole excursion weighs, you know, probably what, 7,500, 8,000 pounds, something like that. And she gets along pretty decent, not too bad. But we're just trying to get out here and just get some pretty pictures, as my daughter might say about her art. I make pretty pictures. That's okay, I like her a lot. She's very talented at her pretty pictures. So let's see here. But I figured I'd better drive the big diesel today, and probably not my little electric bolt, because my electric bolt, I don't know, could dig through a lot of this stuff, or my excursion would just go, oh gee, did we just hit a small import car? Felt like we just hit a fly. And it'd be about the same thing. So, crashing through the snow, but I don't have a broke down Chevrolet. I have one, but it broke down. There we go. See all that snow on the hood? All all that snow on the hood of that excursion was on my windshield. She kind of drifted up a bit during the night. That was kind of fun though. We had rolling blackouts because of course the power grid around here can't handle when people put their heaters up to 80 to try to, you know, stay warm, because apparently that's what people do. I've lived in some colder climates. Now granted, it has been a while, so I am no longer used to such atrocities. But because I have learned to appreciate how pretty the snow is. And the nice thing is it does not hang around for 2 or 3 weeks at a time, causing all sorts of havoc. So we do not have the equipment to deal with such things, which makes it a little bit more difficult here in Texas than in some other parts of the world. But as you can see, somebody was out here thinking, oh, I'm going to do donuts. That was not me, I promise. Raise my right hand, Scout's honor. It was not me. Plus, doing donuts in an excursion is kind of like putting an elevator in an outhouse. It just really does not fit. Plus, you would not want to be on the bottom floor of that one. I promise you that. And here's a little silver pick-em-up truck down here. Hello, want to race? I win. Thanks. Thank you for playing. Alright, we are at 18.9. So we're getting some not too bad a flight time out of this one. This one's actually staying in there a little bit. I'm a happy camper with this one. Of course, this is a 7-inch quad, so she is infinitely more efficient than a 6-inch quad. The larger prop disc area does provide a little bit more lift for the number of times that the blades go around, so a little bit easier going on the battery. She's at 18.7 now. But as you can see, I mean, the amp draw on it's pretty low, and that's pretty close to accurate, I think. It's not too far off. So amp draw right there, 4, no, right at 5, really, 5 amps. So that is about what she stays in the air with these big old 7-inch tri-blades. But it's kind of pretty out here. And again, I don't really like to put this one in tight positions, but it is fun to fly. And this one is a super light build, so if any one of them is going to get any kind of flight time at all, this one would be it. But we are going to, now we've hit our target voltage, so I need to really, I'm keeping it in the air a lot longer than I expected, so I am not doing well. And, well, that was horrible. That was a horrible landing. I'm not sure, did I land or was I shot down? I probably shot down. Anyways, you can see she only sucked in about 600 milliamp hours. That's about all she'll do in the cold air like this. She did stay in the air for 6 minutes. So 6 minutes, that's not bad for a cold battery, even on a 7-inch. So lowest we got is 18.22 volts. Total flight distance of 2.4 miles. That's impressive in cold weather like this. So we're going to go ahead and shut her down, and thanks for watching. And just letting you know, if you're going to crash into that like button and subscribe for more, and never know what you're going to see, as I can guarantee you by this particular video, snow in Texas. So we'll see you next time. Y'all have fun. Keep her in the air.